Inception, Hans Zimmer. 4 patterns, same shape every time. Only the bass underneath changes. Watch. Hands ready? Slow. Right hand bounces between A and E. Left hand holds low A. Real speed. Pattern 2. Same shape, just slide 1 key over. New bass, low C. Tempo. Patterns 3 and 4. Same shape twice more. Bass drops to F, then up to C sharp. Tempo. Hear the bass walking? Here's the tricky bit, the transitions. Right hand barely moves, left hand jumps. Watch the bass. All 4, slightly under tempo. Twice through, just you and the music. Four patterns. That's everything in Inception. Zimmer just loops them through the whole song. You already know it. Subscribe so you don't miss next week. To learn the full song, try Scoove. It listens as you play and corrects you in real time. Free 7-day trial, link below.